For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Hello, and you're watching News 9 Digital. I am Prajwal D'Souza. While the decision to conduct the examinations, the end semester and the competitive examinations in the country are still being debated, the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare has now issued new advisory. The new advisory is regarding the partial reopening of schools from 9th to 12th standard. The center has asked the schools and colleges to start reopening from September 21. However, the reopening will again be voluntary and the states will have a choice whether or not to reopen schools on the set date. The reopening of schools at a time when COVID-19 cases are rising exponentially looks worrying. You must be wondering, how will the reopening of schools work? For this, the government has issued a set of guidelines or standard operating procedures for the reopening of schools. Now, what are these guidelines? Now, these guidelines state that during the schools, when the schools are reopened, the physical distancing of at least 6 feet has to be followed as far as feasible. Now, use of face covers, masks should be made mandatory. Now, there should be a frequent hand washing with soap for at least 40 to 60 seconds, even when hands are not visibly dirty. Now, use of alcohol-based hand sanitizers for at least 20 seconds can be done wherever feasible. Everybody should strictly follow respiratory etiquettes. Now, this involves a strict practice of covering one's mouth and nose while coughing, sneezing with a tissue handkerchief or a flexed elbow, and disposing of used tissues properly. Now, there should be self-monitoring of health by all, and reporting any illness at the earliest should be done. Spitting shall be strictly prohibited. Now, installation and use of Arogya Setu app may be advised wherever feasible. All schools with classes 9 to 12 shall specifically ensure that online or distant learning shall continue to be permitted and shall be encouraged. Now, students of classes 9 to 12 shall be permitted to visit their schools on a voluntary basis for taking guidance from their teachers. Now, this will of course be subject to written consent of the parents or guardians. Now, such visits and teacher-student interaction must be organized in a staggered manner. Now, there are also other specific guidelines for schools while reopening. Now, the reopening of schools is applicable only to schools which are outside the containment zone. Now, students, teachers and school employees living in containment zones will not be allowed to attend school. Prior to the reopening of the schools, the government has asked all areas to be sanitized with 1% sodium hypochlorite solution, with particular attention to frequently touched surfaces. Now, deep cleaning will take place at schools that were used as quarantine centers. Now, up to 50% of the non-teaching staff may come to work for online teaching and also telecounseling related work. Students from classes 9 to 12 will have an option of attending the classes either remotely or virtually or physically only on a voluntary basis based on the guidance from the teachers, subject to a written permission from the parent or guardian. Instead of biometric attendance, alternate arrangements of contactless attendance shall be made by the school administration. The guidelines have come as the COVID-19 tally in India has breached the 43 lakh mark. Now, India recorded over 90,000 cases in the past 24 hours. The past week has been damaging for India as over 80,000 cases have been recorded every day. Now, the threat is still looming and it is important that you take proper precautionary measures. If you like this video, click on the like button, comment down below, share this video and subscribe to News 9 on all the social media platforms. Thank you for watching and stay safe.